Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add analog clock widget of your Motorola One xt1941-4. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold on a screen of your Motorola One to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, okay, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by scrolling down or up on screen. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add analog clock widget. And okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold the analog clock widget to add to your home screen. And okay guys, now you can slide to set the position and release it. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add the analog clock widget on your Motorola One xt1941-4. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.